we're gonna do another day in the life video. Check out where I am. Got my coffee. I'm just going for a morning walk. I'm not actually that wholesome that I go for like morning walks every day. I'm just waiting for the supermarket to open because it opens in like 15 minutes. And I got a coffee as well, but it's a pretty nice spot. I guess I'm not the only one with the same idea. There's a lot of people waiting for this shop to open today. I need to get a phone holder for my car so that I can record myself while I'm in there. I think this one should work well. Hopefully it's MagSafe too. I also need one of these. I need to fill up the wiper fluid in my car. Since it's Chuseok at the moment, that means spam gift sets. And lots of them. Okay, let's figure this thing out. Well, this thing doesn't fucking stick to anything in my car, so that's not gonna work out. All right, let's just go home now. All good. It is an absolutely beautiful day today. How fitting, because it's the first day of Chuseok holiday, and I think the vibes are like really there. Look at that, it's amazing. By the way, I'm home now. Today is what my dad likes to call Pie Day, which is every Thursday, where him and one of his friends, old co-worker, meet up to have pies, and sometimes I join him. Today I'm gonna join him. This is one of our favorite places here in the island. It's Cottage 11. The most amazing garden as well. Full of flowers, full of butterflies, all sorts of stuff.
I thought you said the photos were.
Tuna melt is pretty good actually. It's actually really good.
The glory is good.
Yeah, they eat.
So I had to grab this plastic, which is sort of like geotextile, because what I'm going to do, I've been clearing out this greenhouse that I have, and then I'm going to lay this down to cover the ground so that nothing grows through, and then I'm going to put down this brown matting just to sort of make this a more usable space, because this greenhouse just gets overgrown really quickly. But I'm not going to do it right now because it's way too hot, and I don't want to be in a greenhouse while it's really hot. So right now I'm going to go wash my car. Got my car washing supplies. Let's go. You're too cute, but I can't take you. You live here. Oh, you're so polite though. I've already ran out of pegs, so this is all I can do for now. But I think it's looking all right. Let's go have a shower. It's looking like we're getting another good sunset tonight. Check this out. To be fair, most sunsets are like this. That's why I love living here. But we are going to Mum and Dad's house for dinner, and I've got some bread that I made for them, and then some leftover hanu from the restaurant. It's honestly the best thing about owning a hanu restaurant is all the leftover hanu you get to eat. I've eaten so much hanu in the past month. Man, that sunset is nice. Thanks for tuning into this vlog. Until next time.